Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Savana, a van that's built for utility, power, and reliability. Whether you're looking for a commercial workhorse or a spacious passenger van, the Savana continues its legacy with modern upgrades. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 GMC Savana retains its classic boxy design, prioritizing function over flash. It features a bold front grille with the signature GMC badge, flanked by updated LED headlights for improved visibility. The body is built with high-strength steel, ensuring durability for heavy-duty use. Available in multiple configurations, from cargo to passenger variants, the Savana is designed to meet diverse needs. Under the hood, GMC offers multiple engine choices. The standard 4.3-liter V6 produces 276 horsepower and 298 lb-ft of torque, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. For those needing more muscle, the optional 6.6-liter V8 cranks out 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque, making it ideal for towing and hauling heavy loads. Both engines are paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, providing reliable performance on the road. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Savana focuses on practicality. The cargo variant offers up to 283 cubic feet of storage space, with wide-opening rear and side doors for easy access. The passenger model can accommodate up to 15 people, making it a great choice for businesses and large families. The dashboard features an updated infotainment system with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity on the go. Safety has been enhanced with standard driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, lane departure alert, and rear parking sensors. These upgrades make the Savana a safer option for commercial fleets and daily drivers alike. Overall, the 2025 GMC Savana remains a tough, reliable van with modern technology and powertrain upgrades. It's designed for those who need a dependable work vehicle with the capability to handle demanding tasks. What are your thoughts on the new Savana? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one.